Alright guys, it's XP Wizard here, and today I have a computer build. This is some sort of a Dell case. It says designed for Windows XP on it right there. I'm going to be building a computer today, and I have a couple of motherboards put around here, laying around here to put in it. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet. When the time comes, I will let you guys know. And so yeah, let me clean it first and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so XP Wizard is back. I found a motherboard. This is the Dell motherboard, and it looks like from the numbers that are on here, this is a Pentium D. Yeah, it looks like it's a Pentium D, so it's a Pentium D dual core, because I remember using this computer back whenever I had it. And I can't find the original processor chip to it, so I have a Core 2 Duo chip here, and this will work. You can put a Core 2 Duo chip in a Pentium D as long as it's a dual core, like this one. So yeah, I have a chip here that I'm putting in here right now. This is the chip. It's a Core 2 Duo. Let me just put this in here without messing anything up. Alright. Yes, alright. So, processor, check. We got a processor, we got a BIOS heatsink on here. I'm not sure, this is a GMCM or CH, so, and the CPU is now a dual core, so I'm gonna load, I think I might put 7 on this, just for the hell of it. I'm gonna put 7 on this, and yes. So let me get this in here. Alright, so the motherboard is in, guys, and yeah. Next, I'm going to just plug this in. Just plug this in here pretty quick, because this is where the power supply is going to go. The power supply, I think, is just a basic, I'm not sure how many watts it is, but it's a power supply, and it's somewhere around here. I gotta find it, so I'm gonna pause the video again. So yeah, I'll come back after I find the power supply. Alright guys, I'm back. I found a power supply, not the power supply. So yes, hopefully this one will work, or will work. It's not the power supply, but it's a power supply that fits in an Optiplex body. So, and it is made by Dell, so it may be it. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to build computers with lately. Just slide this in here. Fast forward while I put this in here. Alright, so I put this in here, power supply in here, and I'm just going to plug it in. Let's see what I have in here to put in here. Okay, so I have, these plugs. I don't know what this is the fan. So, this one should go plugged in first so I can access it easier. Plug this one in. Oh, come on. Plug this one in. Alright. That's in there. Next thing we need to do is install the heatsink and the CPU components. So the little bridge part here goes in first, and I believe it goes in for the hinges for this. Yes, it goes in this way. CPU is in. Or the heat sink is in. I don't know if this is the right heat sink or not either. It's not covering the processor all the way. Let me take it off and see if it did anything. Doesn't seem to be covering the processor all the way. It's right here, the little corner of the processor still showing. Alright, yeah, it's good. The paste is sticking together and everything. I might have to take this apart though. I'm not too sure about the heatsink paste. I think I can get away with how much I had on there though. And reusing it and everything. Battery's running out already. That sucks. Alright. Yes, there's that. Next thing I need to do is install the graphics card, which I have in a computer sitting down here. So let me take that out. Alright. Yes, it's a fat graphics card. And it should fit in here good. I might have to leave the side of the case open now. That's the only problem. Yes. I'll just have to leave the side of the case open. Fits and everything though, which is good. Alright. Yeah, side of the case will need to remain open. This thing is pretty big. It sticks out. As you can see, if you look down the side of it there, how much it sticks out. Means I won't have full access to the DV port, but I can still use VGA in this video, which is good enough for me. Next thing I need to do is find a hard drive, and I don't know what that plug is for. Maybe hopefully it's something I don't need. And install this thing in there. Forgot about this. This thing logs every time your computer is open, so if I don't want people stealing my stuff, I'll install these. Which I think they're really smart to have on computers, because then people can't take your stuff out of them. When I finally get a graphics card that fits in here, because it's just going to hang open then anyway. So it won't really matter. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm going to find a stick of the DDR RAM that goes in here, or the DDR2 RAM, and a hard drive. Alright guys, sorry to disappoint you, but while I was off camera I found a different case for the Core 2 Duo. And so I put it in this case right here. And the reason why I like this case is it's got more maneuverability for air and stuff like that. And so I can put my 120mm fan right here. Let's see, this one should face the other way because it's supposed to blow air out. So I can put my 120mm fan in here and connect it to this little connector that I have, like that. And this is pretty much set to go. Now, this is actually in, you know what? Today's operating system for this computer, since I have a product key for it on the back here, is going to be right here. Windows Media Center Edition 2005. So I will load that onto here, and I'll make a video whenever I'm done. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Third time trying to record this video, guys. I'm going to make this one quick, okay? AMD Athlon 64-bit. That's what I was building the whole time. I got the processors confused. No, this is not the dual core, the AMD we were talking about. This is the AMD Athlon that I just built on camera right here. So if you don't like it, you can just shut this video off. Second thing is I finally got the beast running, and I got Windows XP 64-bit running on it. And so, yes. And this does not have a dedicated DVD drive, because I can pull this one all the way out. and there's no DVD drive in here. Let me slide this one back in before it loses it. And so this one is, so I'm using a USB disk drive to power this up with. And remember, subscribe, rate, comment, what you gotta do, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Alright guys, so I kind of calmed down from the previous part of this video. And I apologize for that. It just 3 tries to try to record a video of just this computer on the top here is just kind of ridiculous, you know. So yeah, I got the beast going right now, and I'm starting to install Windows XP Service Pack Edition, or Windows XP Media Center Edition 2005, which originally came on this computer. And that's pretty much what I'm running right here now on this one. I have been for a while, ever since you see me change the theme to silver theme, and that's what I'm trying to install here. So yeah, if it doesn't work, I still have a bootable CD that I'm asking my older brother to get me. So yeah, it should start to install now. Flip the viewfinder around. So yeah, alright, I'm right here, guys. What's up? So yeah, let's just wait for this to happen. And yeah. It's kind of ridiculous how long it takes to just do this. So while this is going, I'm going to unplug the VGA from here and plug it into the computer underneath and start. Not supported. Are you smoking crack? No way this isn't supported here. So yeah, while this is loading here, I'll start up the media editor. Start up the media editor here. Yeah, I'm gonna switch those SATA cables around because I'm tired of having to select the hard drive I'm gonna boot from all the time. So I'm end up selecting those around, switching those, swapping them out, and yeah. What's going on here?
I'm going to bed.
Okay. So I'm swapping, so I'm going to swap the VGAs around. Hopefully start editing some of this footage too, for the computer build. Wait for this to start up here. Wait for Explorer EXE, where's that? Just saw it. Just saw it. And yes, I will start editing some of this footage now. And yes, I will talk to you guys later.